Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Reeve. This is their part number RV81RZC-18. This is a right side flanged, single slotted, heavy-duty shelf bracket in 18-inch. So first of all, right hand is because when you are, from your perspective in the camera, when you're looking at the video, this is on your right hand. It's just on your right hand. That's how you know it's right. When you are facing the arms, the right is on the right, the left is on the left. That's how you, of course, specify those. Before we even get into this product, I really want to relay to you how much I just enjoy working with Reeve products. And not only is the quality exceptional, but what's even better than the quality is their customer service and support. I have called Reeve countless times, and I have asked them the same question countless times, and they just happily and quite professionally answer and explain and go on to show and teach and educate about the product line. It's very, very, very important to have a company who can represent themselves from a technical perspective as well as having quality products and fair prices as well. I like Reeve as a result of that. I think it's a great choice. Now, 18-inch, that's going to be a reference to basically the face of the standard to the edge of the bracket. And that's going to be somewhere down here where the unit is going to, of course, engage into the bracket itself. The Reeve product line is that exactly. So that's going to fit into the bracket, and you're going to have an overall dimension of the unit of 18-inch. The usable size is probably closer to about 17.5. This unit weighs 1.18 pounds, so it's quite heavy and substantial. It's made of steel. The Z, or the ZC in the part number, is going to tell you that it's in a zinc finish. Okay. Stamped Reeve there. This is their 81 series. The width of the flange on the top, it's about 7/8 of an inch. Okay. Overall height, back here where it's going to engage the standard. Holding that tape measure backwards again. About 4.5 inch. Available, of course, in all of the common lengths from the 6-inch range out to the 24-inch range. The RV81, which is this bracket, is typically used in the RV20 and RV40 series standards. They say that it's 85 thousandths thick tempered steel. Let's put the caliper on that and validate that claim. 0.086. So yes, spot on. 86 thousandths of an inch thick. Okay. Weight rating is, of course, dependent on the length of the bracket, but I have tested some of their weight ratings, and you might see those black dumbbells behind me. I have every bit of 110 pounds hanging on a piece of their drop-down articulating style brackets, which are rated for that weight exactly, maybe even a little bit less, and they're just superb. Very solid, very stable. The weight rating is based on the length, of course. This is going to be closer to the longer range. You're going to be closer to the 250-pound range for something like this. And when you've got brackets that heavy-duty, you can really not have to worry about them in normal conditions. You may not realize how heavy 4 cases of paper is until you load them onto some brackets. So you really want to have a line that's substantial. Brackets are with keyhole slots so that you can permanently attach to the shelf that you may be using on it. And of course are handed in this series. The L, the left version, would end in LZC as the part number. Now that link below this video to the manufacturer's page will allow you to review not only all of the Reeve products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, which is incredibly handy, and it's very logically laid out. However, the incredibly useful resource is the link to the product catalog. And while you're going through dozens of pages of hardware as it relates to standards and brackets, when you really start to think about the different applications that standards and brackets are used in, let's just say retail alone, with all of the different downslat style brackets and requirements for a retail application, you can quickly start to understand, yes, you need a line that's as comprehensive as the Reeve line. And they stand alone, in my opinion, when you consider a confluence of quality, value, product offering, and certainly technical support. If you have any questions on the Reeve, number RV81RZC, right-hand bracket, 18-inch, or any other Reeve product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.